Hello, my friends. I have some fun items to share with you today, and most of them are very limited in quantity. So if you do not see them on our website, oh, that means they're gone. So get them quick. That's all I'm saying, okay? Because once they're gone forever, and oh, you don't want to be sad, right? Okay, so here is a kit that we released in March 2017. So what we like to do is like a year later, if we have any extra kits, some people cancel, or some people just, we just make extras to make sure we have enough. So we have a little bit of a small quantity, and I mean that, little bit of a small quantity. I mean, what am I gonna do with a couple of these, right? I mean, well, of course, eventually I'll use them, but I only need one of the stamp sets, so we figure we might as well put them on the website. This was in March, and this one was called the So Special Collection, and of course you get an idea card. This is also a great way if you've thought about joining our kit club, or you missed this one. If you join the kit club later, you can get this one quick now, okay? Also, it's great if you wanted to think about joining the kit club and you wanted to see what it kind of entailed, you'd want to get one of these to check it out. We get 2 ribbons. Oh, some yummy, yummy, yummy diamond embellishments. Some fun flower epoxy embellishments. All of our items are exclusive to us, don't forget. You cannot get them anywhere else. Some pearls, some twine, a fun stamp set. This one says, spread kindness everywhere. Keep going, you're almost there. Hello, spring. What a great reason to celebrate, and you're in my thoughts. A die set that says, so special. And a fun pattern paper pad. This is the special paper pad. And it has, I'm just gonna go through it really quick. You have some fun, different patterns. Ooh, I love the carrots. I think that one is so cute. And of course, a lot of them match our stamp set, so you might already have the stamp sets or the die sets. And of course, you get a handy dandy storage envelope with mailing envelopes and lots of cardstock. So check that out. Again, once it's gone for good. I'm repacking this one up because we'll be sending this to somebody. And that is that. Now, we also have a couple embellishments that are limited quantities. We have a 5-pack of seam binding. This is considered the dark. So we have artichoke. That one is, oh, I'm not even going to tell you because I'm going to mess up all the names. I know I am. Tangerine, I see cranberry, midnight, and that looks like storm. But one might be different, so it's going to be an assortment of ribbons, but they're dark colors. We also have an assortment of ribbons, and I'm guessing this one's going to be called light or pastel, and it has other colors. There's a 5-pack as well. Again, very limited quantities. Get them quick. I have a lot of people that will order 3 packs of those because they always want to have it on hand, which is a smart idea because once, like I said, once it's gone, it's gone. Now, we have some embellishments. Now, this is a fun pack, and I know that one's not supposed to be in there, so I'm taking that one out because that goes in that one. Look at this. This is like an epoxy pack. Now, yours might be an assortment a little bit different, but it's going to be very, very similar to this one. So we have some fun wood with epoxy flowers. You get 2 of those packs. This is like a stock-up pack. We have, ooh, look at those pretty epoxy dots. Then we have these with the hearts, and these have glitter. Oh, those have glitter too. Oh, more glittery ones, which is fun, different colors. Then these are puffy stickers that say different things. So special, cheerful, grateful, darling, and awesome. You get 2 of those, and 2 packs of banners. These are perfect for planners, by the way. Those of you that do planners, these banners are perfect for that. So that's one kit. Then, oh my goodness, we're getting a lot of these out. We have this kit. This is like a felt kit. So you get 2 packs of the balloons. You get 2 packs of the twine with stars. You get 2 packs of the pattern stars. 4th of July is coming up, so get them quick. You have 2 packs of these fun little hearts with the scallop circles and 2 packs of snowflakes. Again, once they're gone for good. Lastly, I have, let's put those away too because we're gonna have to send those to somebody. We have some pattern paper. We have Hope and Joy. Now, technically, this could be mostly considered Christmas, but a lot of it, like Hope and Joy, that could be any time of the year. We have Christmas trees on that one. We have some triangles. Ooh, some yummy peppermints. Some fun papers. Oh, snowflakes. Oh, Christmas lights. So lots and lots of fun. Perfect time to stock up. Oh, those stars are perfect. Our pattern paper pads are very thick. Listen. That's 1 sheet of paper. That's how thick it's cardstock really, but it's double-sided and it's beautiful. Again, limited. Now, lastly, for sure, I get often asked how I can get such awesome stamped images. And people always ask what this mat is. This is the Stamper Secret Weapon that I designed for Sizzix. It's very important to have a squishy mat underneath you when you have your clear stamps. So remember back in the olden days when we had rubber stamps, we had a wood block, we had that gray foam, and we had the pink rubber. And no one ever told us why it had that gray foam in there, but we just used them, we stamped them, and we always get good images. Well, they had that gray foam in there because you need two squishy items, your rubber and that gray foam, between your hard table and your wood block to get a nice even impression. Well, now that we have clear stamps, I'm laying that on there, but I don't have any of that foam between my block and my table and my paper. If I use paper or cardstock and I have this mat, the Secret Weapon, underneath my stamp but on top of my table, I'm getting a perfect sandwich and I'm getting a nice even impression because I have two squishy items, my stamp and my foam, to get a nice even impression. So if you ever stamp, and here's a perfect example. If you ever stamp and you get that almost an image but not the whole image, use the Stamper Secret Weapon and then you'll get a nice, beautiful image. Okay, we have it in two different sizes. We have it in the small version and the large version. The large version also comes with a die pick, so you can poke out those little pieces, okay? Just wanted to let you know. Thank you so much. And oh, don't forget, club members, you get a club discount. If you're not in the club, you better join today so you save all that money. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.